Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix battery drain on iOS 17. Let's begin. Start by force restarting your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. If this does not work, try updating all your apps. Open the App Store. Tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and either update apps one by one or select Update All to do it at once. Still draining battery? Check battery usage by app. Open the Settings app. Tap on Battery. Here, you will see which apps are consuming the most power. If an app is using too much battery, reduce its usage. Next, try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, then tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This will not delete your data, but will reset saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, and layout settings. If nothing helps, check for a new iOS update. Go to Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix battery issues, security bugs, and performance problems. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.